which country it's good with technology when you check your experience?
Yo, it's Japan.
Japan,
It's Japan. Because I remember when we were in Japan, I mean, an Aeromatium now, Aeromatium, so check it in.
Yeah.
Oh, 10. Manze, ufune toilet. Aye toilet. Mayifika lapha toilet. Okay, akhulula. Hayibo, mayicede ukwenza anything, mazuthatha i-tissue yabo all the things. Hayi, automatically iyakwenza, iyasiflasha, iyakusula. I was like,
Yo.
I thought because wajamba the first time
kwenzakalani. Imagine say if ngitotolozi direct yeah.
Toilet like hayibo yakwipe and stuff.
How what the hell?
Technology lapha inswembu was. I thought maybe I went there now I'm just in for experience hayibo yenzeka lento. Then I think coach doesn't let the bus booze about my manager but it happens.